Hey there, history buffs and heat enthusiasts. Hit that like and subscribe button and ring that bell before we dive into the steamy saga of industrial heating. Starting with the 18th century, the Industrial Revolution cranked up the heat, making England the smoggy dance floor of innovation. Ironbridge Gorge was the exclusive lounge where coal and iron sparked a heating revolution, setting the stage for future tech marvels. Fast forward to the mid-20th century, oil and gas heaters made their entrance, turning old coal systems into relics. These new kids on the block brought efficiency, but also a bit of drama, especially regarding safety. Incidents like explosions and fires linked to gas leaks or improper maintenance became notable, highlighting the need for stricter safety standards and regulation debates over safety. Now step into the 21st century. Indirect-fired heaters are the MVPs, offering eco-friendly warmth with a side of safety and efficiency. They focus on clean heating, working with fuels like natural gas and biofuels, leading the fight against climate change. And peeking further into the future, we're eyeing solar power and energy recycling heroes, turning up the cool factor in heat technology, from coal dust to solar rays. Thanks for riding this toasty timeline with us. Stay warm, stay curious, and let's keep exploring the future of heat technology together.